Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 6th. Dear students, today we will try to understand the next part of the plant, that is root of the plant. We discussed the system of the plant so far. Today let us try to understand what is root, what are the functions of the root, from your textbook, page number 59. So, dear students, as you know, that roots are the parts of the plant which are under the soil, which are in the soil. So, roots are those parts of the plant which are in the soil, and who the function of root is to keep the plant erect. First function, it is to keep the plant erect, and second function of the root is that the roots conduct water and minerals from the soil. This water, which is absorbed by the roots, is used by the plant during the process of photosynthesis, as you have already learned the process of photosynthesis. So, dear students, you see here two pictures are picture A and picture B. So, in the picture A, what the boy is doing, the boy is watering the leaf of the plant. You see, these are the branches of the plant, and the boy is watering the branches. And you see in the second picture, the boy is watering in the pot of plant where the roots are kept. So when we say this is not the proper watering of the plant, and this is the proper watering of the plant, because you see here the water is put inside this pot in which the soil is kept, in which the roots of the plant are held, and this is the correct watering of the plant, and this is the incorrect watering of the plant. So from this activity we will discuss another activity here. So what we have to do, we have to take two pots, and we have to keep the soil in both the plant in both the pots. So then after, we have to take two small herbs from any garden. That is, we have to pull out two herb plants, two small plants from the open ground along with their roots. We have to dug out from these two plants from the open ground with roots, and we have to kept one of the plant in pot A with all the roots in it, and in part B we have to kept that plant where we have cutted the roots. You see here the roots of the plant are cutted, and the plant is kept inside the pot B. Here the pot A contains the plant with roots. So dear students, you know that we will regularly water both plant, pot A and pot B. Regularly we will water them. Same amount of water is kept on both the plants for about a week. So after a week, what will we observe? We will observe that the plant in pot A is a healthy plant, and the plant in pot B is not a healthy plant. It is this plant which tends to be dry, which tends to have no fruits at all, and this plant, this is a healthy plant. So from this activity we will analyze that, we will observe that the roots of the plant, it absorbs the water. After the absorption of water, this water is used by the photosynthesis, And in the photosynthesis, food is prepared by the plant. So when the food is prepared by the plant, so we can say that the plant becomes a healthy plant. And what happens here, they, there is no roots. We have already cut it down the roots. When there is no roots, there is no absorption of water and minerals from the soil. When there is less amount of water and minerals from the soil, or when there is no absorption of water and minerals from the soil, what happens here, the plant is not healthy plant. It tends to become dry and die. So this activity shows us the roots conduct water and minerals from the soil and keeps the plant healthy. So dear students, this activity shows us that roots, which are the underground parts of the plant, absorbs water and minerals from the soil and keeps the plant healthy. Their students take